Ready, start. Anthony Dominic heard the learned counsel for the petitioner and learned government pleader appearing for respondents number 1 and 9 and learned counsel appearing for the party respondents. Petitioner claims to be the owner of an immovable property in survey number 596/12 of village in Thiruvananthapuram district. In this writ petition, what he prays for is an order requiring the official respondents to afford adequate and effective police protection, enabling him and the Advocate Commissioner appointed by the Municipal Court Tirunelveli to restore a compound wall on the southern side of his property in implementation of Exhibit P1 order. Para. The facts of the case are that a dispute between the petitioner and the party respondents is in existence with regard to the widening of a pathway. According to the petitioner, he had constructed a compound wall petitioner through the southern boundary of his property, and on account of a threat of its demolition, he filed OS number 1743 of 2006 before the Additional Municipal Court, Thiruvananthapuram. In that suit, the court passed an interim order of injunction restraining the defendants from demolishing the compound wall. However, on 11/5/2007, violating the order of injunction, compound wall was demolished. Thereafter, petitioner filed IA number 9865 of 2007, and in that IA, after considering the objections raised by the respondent, Municipal Court passed Exhibit P1 order allowing the petitioner to restore the southern compound wall of the plaintiff's scheduled property in the original condition as it existed at the time of first visit of the Advocate Commissioner. It was also ordered that such restoration shall be under the supervision of the same Advocate Commissioner. Respondents 5 to 7 filed CMA number 83 of 2008 challenging Exhibit P1 order, and the District and Sessions Court Trivandrum dismissed the CMA. Thereupon, they approached this court and filed WPC number 3106 of 2008, and that writ petition was also closed by Exhibit P2 judgment clarifying that in the event the compound wall is restored violating the rules of the local authorities, the concerned local authority will be free to take appropriate action. Subsequently, Advocate Commissioner visited the site on two occasions, and on both occasions he was obstructed by the party respondents and their henchmen. Thereupon, he made a request to the Municipal Court for police protection, and acting upon that request, Municipal Court issued Exhibit P3 communication to Station House Officer Sri Karyam Police Station, directing him to render necessary police assistance to the Advocate Commissioner to supervise the construction of compound wall in compliance with Exhibit P1 order. The endorsement on Exhibit P3 itself shows that the order was served on fourth respondent, and the same has been acknowledged by him. Subsequently, the Advocate Commissioner filed Exhibit P4 report before Municipal Court requesting for further orders. This report explains that transpired after Exhibit P3 order was passed by Municipal Court, and therefore the relevant portion of Exhibit P4 is extracted below for reference. Contention Contentions have also been raised on the merit of the controversy, which is now pending before the Civil Court. Para. A counter affidavit dated 25/2013 has been filed by the fourth respondent. From the counter affidavit itself, it is obvious that fourth respondent is taking sides in this matter and is aligning with the party respondents, obviously with the intention to defeat the order passed by the civil court. The thrust of the averments in paragraph 1 to 6 is to impress upon this court that petitioner does not have a case on merits. In para 7, it is stated that no one approached the police station requesting to provide police protection, and he also says that Exhibit P1 order of the civil court states that there is evidence to come to the conclusion that it is the defendants who demolished the compound wall. However, in paragraph 8, he concedes that the advocate commissioner approached the police station for police protection and that it was thereupon that the assistant sub inspector and police constables reached the petitioner's property along with the advocate commissioner. For reading reference, the averments in the para 8 and 9 are extracted below the reference. It is submitted that on inquiry regarding not rendering police protection, then SI of police reported that no one approached in the police station requesting to provide police protection or produce order from the additional Municipal Court Trivandrum in this regard. Stop.